How to leave Discord server? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Discord application on your device. Once you open up the app, you will be able to see this interface. If you have logged in order to leave the Discord server, you need to first select the server from which you want to leave. Once you select and open up the server, you will be able to see this interface over here. So in order to leave, you have to tap on the three-dotted horizontal line in the right upper corner. And you have to scroll a little bit where you will be able to see leave server option at the button with red color. Simply tap on that and go for yes. And after a few seconds, you will be able to leave that server. You won't have any of the access to that server. You won't receive any of the message or any information about that server. So this is how you leave Discord server. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions regarding this video, then you can comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.